Good day everyone, I am Sura Usman and today I will be discussing the Newton's law of universal gravitation. So, did you know this story behind the apple and Isaac Newtons? So, once upon a time, habang nag-iisip si Isaac Newton and pinag-aaralan niya about the force of nature, nasa tabi siya ng may puno ng mansanas. So suddenly, nahulog yung mansanas sa ulo niya bago dun sa lupa. So in that phenomenon has greatly affects of what we know about the gravity. So Isaac Newton thinks that some way or another that the apple is pulling the earth toward itself and the earth is pulling on the apple. So that's why meron tayong concept of gravity that everything is attracted to the center of the earth. So hindi naman, pero hindi lang yung earth sa lahat ng body over it or sa lahat ng object. Yung mga body na yon or yung mga object na yon ay meron din attraction papunta or pabalik sa earth. Okay, so dito na-discuss ni Isaac Newton yung concept na yon na Newton's law of universal gravitation. Okay, so and that scenario states that in this universal gravitation stated that the number one is the apple was attracted on the earth. Yes, and the number two is all of the object and universe were attracted to each other in the same way the apple is attracted to the earth. So, hindi lang na limits ni Newton's sa apple on the earth. He thinks ano kaya yung mga planets? Ano kaya ang mga planets attracted din ba sa earth? Yes, na-discover ni Isaac Newton. Yun. And lastly, all objects attract each other with the force of gravitational attraction. Gravity is universal. So, in the name of gravity is universal. Now, let's moving on to the formula or the equation of the universal gravitation. So, F is equal to gravity or the universal gravitation times the m1 or the mass of object 1 times the mass of object 2 all over the distance squared. So here, so F is yan yung hinahanap natin, which is the gravitational force. M1 is the mass of object 1, M2 is the mass of object 2, and the D is the distance between the center of the two objects. So, alam niyo ba na yung G dyan ay nilagay lang niya dyan ni Isaac Newton or hindi pa yan nadi-discover. So, inilagay lang niya yan dyan kasi ang sabi niya, kailangan magkaroon ng relationship between the mass or the object, itong object na to na dalawa, and then distance and yung maliit na hinahanap na yun. Na value na hinahanap na yun. So, ang naka-discover dito is si Henry Cavendish in 1798. So, by their experimental, so nakuha niya yung universal gravitation constant, which is G is equal 6.6743 times 10 raised to negative 11 Newton times meter squared over the kilogram squared. So always remember that kahit magkaiba yung masses nila or yung bigat nila ay same pa rin sila, the force between them is same attraction of object to the earth. Okay, force of gravity acts equally and opposites of the both side. So always remember that, and also remember that the universal gravitation is every two object in the universe are attracted to each other with a force that is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of their distance. Okay, so now moving on to the sample problem. Okay, so um, Diane and Faith are sitting on the bench 0.5 meter apart. Faith has a mass of 40 kilogram while Diane has a mass of 45 kilogram. Find the gravitational force of attraction between them. So first, ang gagawin natin ay we need to write down the given. Okay, so kailangan natin muna ma-identify yung given dun sa problem na yan. Okay, so first is the M1, which is the 40 kilogram, and mass 2 or the mass of object 2 is 45 kilogram, and the distance between them is 0.5 meter. Okay, so yung gravitational constant natin, kailangan natin yun ilagay 6.6743 times 10 raised to negative 11 Newton times meter squared and all over the kilogram squared. So we need to find the force of the or the universal gravitation. Okay, so the formula is F is equal to gravitational force times mass of the object 1 times the mass of the object 2 all over or the divided by the distance squared. So, kailangan natin muna ilagay ito. So, yan, F or the gravitational, universal gravitational, ito yan siya. And ito na. So, kailangan natin ilagay muna yung object dito. So, M1 and M2. So, 40 and 45 kilogram all over the distance, which is the 0.5 squared or the meter squared. So, here is the, kailangan muna natin i-multiply yung 40 and 45 kilogram. Is, okay, so equal 1,800 kilogram squared. And of course, the 0.5 squared is the equal to 0.25 meter squared. So, yan na siya. So, i-divide muna natin to siya. So, bago natin i-multiply yung sa gravitational and yung dito niya. So, 1,800 kilogram squared divided 0.25 meter squared is equal to 7,200 kilogram squared all over the meter squared. So, kapag tinimes natin yung dalawang yan, ay kakalabasan ay 48,054.96 times 10 raised to negative 0.7. So, in scientific notation, the value of that is 4.805,496 times 10 raised to negative 4 siya. Kasi di ba, nakatatlo siya. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, kaya raised to 4 siya. So, kailangan natin to i-times na naman sa ito. So, 4, kailangan natin i-plus yung sa exponent niya. So, 4 plus negative 11 is equal negative 7. So, our gravitational force, attraction between them is equal 4.805496 times 10 or the 4.81 times raised to times 10 raised to negative 11